This aeroplane has the world record for flying from New York to London, and I was the captain of that aeroplane. So the 2 hours 52:59 seconds was, we did it together back in 1996, me and my crew. Yeah. I've never seen it look so good. I mean, it is a beautiful, beautiful job that the Intrepid have managed to do. As I said, when I used to fly it, it didn't look like that.